Ready to embark on a short and smooth ClickShare Bar installation journey? In a few quick steps, we'll have your video bar unboxed, connected, and ready for effortless hybrid meetings. Let's dive in and make your setup a breeze. What's in the box? The ClickShare Bar comes with a wall mount, a power adapter, a magnetic privacy camera shutter, and 1 or 2 buttons depending on the model. Mounting options. To get started right away, simply place the ClickShare Bar on a tabletop, with or without the mount. By switching the mount 90 degrees, you can easily secure the ClickShare Bar to the wall. It is also compatible with the TV mount, giving you the option to hang the bar above or below your display. Cables and connection. Once positioned, hook up the Ethernet cable to connect the ClickShare Bar to the internet. Then plug in the HDMI cable linked to the display. And finally, connect the power cable. The ClickShare Bar will power up automatically. Simply follow the instructions on screen to complete the installation. The ClickShare Bar Pro allows you to get more out of your displays. It supports touchscreen via a USB-A cable, and if you've got a smart display, a single USB-C cable will suffice. You can still make use of the HDMI port to unlock dual display options. ClickShare has you covered. To start a meeting, plug in the ClickShare button into your laptop. For the full ClickShare experience, install the free ClickShare app for PC or Mac. The MSI installer enables you to deploy the app on a company-wide scale. Don't forget to register your ClickShare Bar by scanning the QR code to enjoy the benefits of SmartCare and a 5-year warranty. Is the unit not connected to the internet? Check out our video on how to manage and configure ClickShare.